With eazy's new employee benefits aggregator, you can get a quote for your company's employee health insurance in just a few clicks. All you need are two simple numbers: the number of employees in your company, and their average age. Then, simply select your inpatient coverage options, and then any additional coverage you may want, such as outpatient or dental. Please read through the acknowledgement section and click OK to proceed. You'll see the policies of all available insurers in Singapore. Can't decide? Pick up to 3 products to compare. Once you have finalized on the quote that you prefer, please click on Get Quote to submit a quote request. We will contact you shortly to finalize the quotation and incept the policy. It's that easy.